each and every region, we're going to be understood whoever subcategories are very high when compared to the each and every region. Each and every region. So just now we have seen why fasteners are very less sales. Why fasteners are very less sales. So let's dive deep into the region wise, whoever having the sales. If you go and click, if I just pass my cursor here, what will I get? Subcategory fasteners region east sales is 819. Okay, 819. So we have only we have only in the 819, right, for the fastness. So remaining, oh, okay, remaining all are very less when compared to the others. East and west also. If you just go and see that one, east and somehow slightly not on top of this one, right? So the west also having 923. So only two values, only two regions, you would say, only two regions holding list values, and all remaining are zeros. If you take that consideration for the central and also the south, central and south, they don't have sales in this region. At the time you realize that this have the number of the sales are very less. Similarly, you have to take that consideration and understand the stacker bar plot. How does it going to be very helpful by using the each and every region, and where it's going to be very fall, where it's going to be very high in that case matter. So let's also see the other plot, such as a pie plot. If you're already aware of the pie plot, this is how it's going to be looks like. It will be looks like a pie nature. Okay, whatever we call it in a circular manner, it's going to give as a pie kind of the nature. So we'll also see how to construct these things and what are the different steps format we are going to be considering in the upcoming classes. But I'm just showcasing as how to do some analytics way of thinking. So you can see we are also doing by region the number of sales. What will happen eventually if you're going to be seeing the number of the sales by using south region, west region, central region, east region? It will be spreaded or it will be splitted in terms of like this, right? It will be spreaded in terms of like this. So at the time you have seen in terms of like this, you will be end up with some kind of analysis or some kind of the portion or format or in terms of the percentage results. So you can see you will also get the percentage results. 31st percentage of the sales are happened or are going to be done in this west region. So you have to write a story to make some of the conclusions. More number of the percentile values are made in the west region because of they are interested. They are interested. So this also comes from some analytics we are thinking at the time you visualize the some interesting and also the advantages, disadvantages concepts with respect to your subcategories. So I'm just assume if the people are interested, that's a because of more number of the sales in the west region and the very less number of the sales we have in the south. We have in the south. That is a 17 percentage. So more probably, we have to be sure about this 17 percentage. Why it is going to make that happen to increase your efficiency of the sales. And we can also see something related to the donut chart. So donut chart is going to be very helpful whenever you are just stacking with the some of the pie plots. You want to be understood about how much percentage you will say some circular way of representing. We can also give some of the different formats to analyze this data, but as per the understanding purpose, this donut plot is very simple as straightforward stuff by using a pie chart. And some other chart like the funnel chart. The funnel chart looks like this. So the funnel chart is basically help us to understand whoever having the maximum number of the sales to lower number of the sales from descending order to descending order to ascending order. So if you are more aware about the descending order while doing the group by while doing the order by, in your SQL. This is completely straightforward, I would say. So whoever having subcategories from very high results to, okay, so it will represent from 100% from the top to 0% on the top on the bottom. Then you have to be stick with in this region how many sales you're going to enter with corresponding to different subcategories you have to follow. So you have to quickly analyze, and these are some of the median values. Quickly analyze, these are some of the median values or the median regions while doing this kind of the subcategories in this area. Then you will eventually understand this is a maximum and this is a minimum according to some